Hello, Assalamualaikum, and good day to my respected lecturer. Today, my team will be presenting our CSC248 group project. We have developed a system called the Eco Cafe Order Management System. Our project aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 12, which focus on responsible consumption and production. With this project, we aim to modernize cafe operations while minimizing environmental impact. Let's move on to introduce the team behind the system. Okay, so here is our project team. First, there's me, Amir Shahir, serving as the project leader. Next, we have Zamir Aiman, our programmer one. And last one, we have Muhammad Zakwan as a programmer two. So now that you know our team, I'll pass the floor to Zamir to explain the project background and the problem statement.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad bin Shaizam, and today I will be talking about our Eco Cafe order management system. Uh, Eco Cafe Eco Cafe order management system is a Java GUI based application designed to modernize traditional cafe workflows by replacing paper-based processes with efficient digital file handling. The system minimizes operational waste and human error, directly supporting our mission to unite sustainability, flavor, and community space. Moving on, we'll be looking at our problem statements. So for the first problem statement is manual ordering inefficiencies. Traditional paper and pen ordering system is highly prone to human error, leading to wrong orders, delayed service, and customer dissatisfaction. Number two is high paper and resource waste. Constant printing of temporary physical menus and receipts generates a significant paper waste, contradicting the principles of SDG 12. And the third and final problem statement is of the lack of structured transaction records. Managing menu items and tracking daily sales without a digital logging system makes inventory management and performance monitoring highly disorganized. That's all from me. Next, I will be passing on to the next person.
Okay, now let's look at the conversion of our EcoCafe order management system. In our application includes 8 key features to ensure smooth cafe operations. First, the system can display an order information. Second, it can search for a specific order. Third, it can add, calculate, and store a new order. Fourth, it can display sales statistic. Fifth, it can confirm and cancel an order. Sixth, it can process an order. Seven, it can update the order. And finally, it can mark an order as delivered. So to see all of these features in action, let's dive straight into our live system demonstration. Okay, now let's move on to the live demonstration of our EcoCafe order system. As you can see on the screen, this is our main dashboard. It displays a comprehensive table of all customers' order details, including the order ID, the status, customer's name, also the phone number of customers, and the selected items, the total amount, and the date. So all the data displayed here on the dashboard is automatically loaded from a permanent text file that we save as order.txt. So on the right side, we have a dedicated panel for the kitchen queue, which is currently empty. So to manage orders, the system provides several function buttons at the bottom. When a customer places an order, we click the add order buttons to input their details and select menu items. So for in this demo, I will add 3 sample orders. Okay. So as you can see here, these three new orders are now added with pending status. Okay. So actually the system automatically assigns sequential the IDs moving from RR103 to 104 and so on. Every time a new order is created, the system automatically writes and save it directly into the order .txt file, so the records are stored permanently. So next, if any change are needed before confirming an order, we can use the update button order. So we simply enter the specific order ID such as RR104 to select the customer. Mm, 104. So So here, once the update is confirmed, the new data immediately replace the old records on the dashboard. So, okay, next, once the details are finalized, we can confirm the orders by clicking confirm. Mm. And then we need to enter the order ID starting with R103. Uh, okay, after confirmation, its status change from pending to the in kitchen. So Uh, this is exactly where our queue concept is applied. Next, I will confirm R105 and then R104. Okay. So here on the right side, you can see the kitchen queue display the exact sequence of R103, followed by R105 and then R104. So when we click the process button, the system advance the queue, changing the status of R103 from in kitchen to ready. So clicking the process button once more will process R105 next instead of R104. This because of follows the first in first out logic, because R105 was confirmed uh, and entered the kitchen queue before 104. Okay. So next, if a so now if a customer decide to cancel their order, for instance, 104, and then we so upon confirmation, its status is update to cancel. Okay. Next, once an order is collected by customer or successfully served, we click the mark delivery button and enter the ID. This change the status from ready to delivered. Please note that once an order is marked as delivered, it can longer be cancelled. So, okay. Moving on, the sales statistic button provide a digital summary of the cafe performance. It helps management monitor total revenue, monthly sales, as well as the highest and lowest sales months without printing a single piece of paper. Here the fully embracing our SDG 12 goals. So lastly, we have the search button to manage search button to manage large amount of the data efficiently. This feature allows management to quickly look up a specific order simply by entering the order ID. So that's conclude our system demonstration and our presentation for today. Thank you very much for your time.